What is code P0135? The P0135 trouble code points to an issue in the oxygen sensor's heater circuit, specifically, the one on bank 1, sensor 1, which is located before the catalytic converter. This sensor helps the engine control the air-fuel mixture by measuring oxygen in the exhaust. Its built-in heater helps it reach operating temperature quickly, especially during cold starts. When that heater isn't working correctly, your engine burns more fuel and may increase emissions. How do you know if your car has a P0135 issue? Here are the most common symptoms. Check engine light turns on. Rough idle or sluggish performance. Poor fuel economy. Engine takes longer to warm up. Sometimes no noticeable symptoms, but it'll still fail emissions tests. So, what causes the P0135 code? Here are the top reasons. Blown fuse in the O2 sensor heater circuit. Faulty O2 sensor heater element, most common. Corroded or damaged wiring or connectors. Short or open circuit in the heater control wire. ECU failure, rare. Here's how to diagnose and fix it. Scan for codes using an OBD2 scanner. Inspect the O2 sensor's wiring and plug. Look for damage, corrosion, or burning. Test the sensor's heater resistance with a multimeter. It should read between 4 to 40 ohms depending on the model. Check fuses related to the O2 sensor circuit. If the sensor is bad, replace it. The part usually costs $20 to $100, and it's fairly easy to replace with a wrench or socket. Mechanic tip: always use OEM quality O2 sensors for better long-term performance. Once repaired, you can clear the code using your scanner or wait for the system to reset after a few drive cycles. Fixing the P0135 code helps your car run smoother, saves gas, and keeps emissions low. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful DTC code breakdowns. We explain auto trouble codes, one at a time.